Hi. If you're starting your job search abroad, let me tell you something I learned firsthand. Local experience isn't a barrier, it's a door you can open. When I completed my studies in Singapore, I wanted a job in my engineering field. But everywhere I went, they told me no local experience or no experience that the company looking for. No chance. Especially not for someone new to the country. So I did something different. I spent just 10 days learning the exact skills the company needed for me to secure that job through free online video and resources. Then, instead of a regular resume, I brought them a proposal letter. I explained what I noticed about their business, how my new skills could help them take on more projects to show what I could do. You know what happened? They brought me onto a real project right away because I would show them I could learn fast and contribute right away where they needed help. They had confidence that I'm coachable and easy to get trained. My no experience in that field but learned the skill they want in 10 days from my own research and hard work actually become an advantage. They saw I was motivated, adaptable, and ready to work. This approach works anywhere. Don't wait for local experience to happen to you. Create it and show the business how you can add value from day one. I'll be coaching you on how to build and develop the skills you need in the field you want to be, and also to write your proposal letter so you feel confident taking this step. Remember, opportunity isn't found, it's created, and you have got what it takes to make it happen.